Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all these cute strawberry roses that would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Over here on my plate, I have 4 fresh strawberries and 4 skewers. So we're going to take our skewer and we're going to place a strawberry on the base like so. And I'm going to take my paring knife. We're going to start on the bottom. We're going to cut it into little slits. And keep your fingers out the way. You don't want to cut it all the way down. Just like that. And then we're going to flap it down. All over the strawberry. Alrighty, now we're going to do the middle. Do the same thing. Cut into little slits and flap it down. Alright, and last but not least, the top. And voila, a strawberry rose. How simple and easy is that? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of them and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Fresh strawberry roses. Don't they look pretty? And look at the petals. These would be great dipped in chocolate, weddings, baby showers. Also a great garnish for cupcakes or cakes, cheesecakes, whatever your heart desires. These are spectacular. And I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Much love and happy Valentine's Day.